Ladies and gentlemen, how's it going? Once again, I'm your boy Neb from Neb's Tech, but today I want to check out this Flenco Wifi Dongle AC. This is the cheapest, most reliable Wi-Fi unit that I can find on Amazon. And when I say reliable, I mean the best that can be fulfilled with Amazon Prime. So, a lot of people like little itty-bitty Wi-Fi units, and they'll plug these little Wi-Fi units into the back of their computer and then complain because they can't get a signal. Now the problem is the antenna is really small, so these units come with huge antennas, and bigger is always better, right, ladies? I see you out there. That's about average size for an antenna, I'd say. Yep. Anyways, it's good to have the antenna because you can have better leverage and whatnot. Some people don't believe me, but at a few places that I work, I have systems that have integrated Wi-Fi. And if I was to ping one of the main servers, I might get a 733 millisecond ping. But if I attach them with one of these and I put it about 6 feet up, that comes down to 100 milliseconds, which is freaking awesome. It's great. You got to have the antenna. Ladies and gentlemen, get an antenna. Don't worry about how ugly it looks like when it's in the side of your computer. It frickin' works. You want it to work or you want it to look nice? You want it to look nice under your desk where no one will see it. So, of course, dual band 2.4 and 5 gigahertz. So when it's going at 2.5 gigahertz, it can do 150 megabits per second. And if it's at the 5, or if you're doing AC, it can get 433 megabits per second. Remember, that's megabits, not megabytes. If it was a capital B, it'd be bytes. Since it's megabits, it's 1/8 that speed. It doesn't sound as quick, does it? Anyways, it's really good stuff. Really good stuff. It works really well. I definitely recommend it. It actually comes with a driver CD. Basically, the driver is like a Realtek, just a standard AC Realtek, and it gives you some instructions. So, next up, if I can figure out where I put my tools, I want to do a quick little teardown of this little beast. I don't think I should even need to pause this system in order to do that. Maybe I will after all, though. Usually, it's kind of stuff you can get into and get under really easily, but maybe it's going to fight me today. Yeah, I'll be right back. Alright, that was not as easy as I thought it would be, and the thing actually seems to be held together with wires on the front. I wonder if that's for some kind of grounding thing or something like that. Yeah, it's attached by some kind of wire. I wonder why. Anyways, that's the Realtek chip. I guess Realtek just makes these things and sells them out to other manufacturers, etc. It is a Realtek RTL. I think it's 8811. That looks like a CU. GJ12. Let's see if we can see what's on the other side. I gotta say, I'm impressed with quality and how much of a fight I have to go through to get inside of this. I do not have to fight this much to get into Belkin or other Wi-Fis. But yeah, that's a teardown, ladies and gentlemen. And I can actually get this thing back together with a bit of tape, maybe. But seriously, these things, I'm really pleased with them. I'm pleased with how difficult it is for me to get back for me to get into it. I'm pleased with how well it actually works on the hardware, and how much it saves our butt in production. Anyways, that's it for me, folks. Like and subscribe if you like this kind of stuff. Always appreciate it. And have a good one, folks. Take care of each other.